Welcome to Modern SQL for Data Analysts. This is not just another SQL course. Most SQL tutorials stop at syntax and toy examples. This course is different. It is sharp, hands-on, and built for the way SQL is actually used in the modern data world. We will be using Google BigQuery and real e-commerce data, and we will also connect everything to the way analysts now work with AI-powered tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, and Gemini. Instead of just memorizing commands, you will learn how to think in SQL. That means you can understand the logic behind queries, you can sanity check AI-generated SQL, and you can deliver insights faster because you know what good SQL looks like. Now let me walk you through how this course is structured. We start with Section 1, Introduction and Setup. Here you will get the course orientation, understand why SQL is still essential in the age of AI, and set up BigQuery so you can follow along with all examples. Section 2 is the foundation level. This is where you build your SQL base. You will learn how to explore tables in BigQuery, write basic queries, filter data, and use the essential commands. We will practice selecting columns, using from, filtering with where, and aggregating results. Each concept will be reinforced with hands-on exercises, so you do not just watch, but actually write queries yourself. Section 3 is the intermediate level. Here we step up into the skills every analyst needs on the job. You will learn how to join tables, handle duplicates and null values, apply data quality checks, and write conditional logic with case statements. You will also practice writing subqueries and common table expressions, so your code is cleaner and easier to maintain. This section is where you stop feeling like a beginner and start writing SQL that works in production. Section 4 is the master level. In this section, you will learn advanced techniques like window functions, performance tuning, and modular query design. You will see how to structure queries for scalability and how to test and optimize them. Most importantly, this is where we bring AI into the workflow. You will learn how to use tools like ChatGPT and Copilot to accelerate your work, how to review and correct their output, and how to combine human reasoning with AI assistance. By the end of this section, you will be working at a professional level. So that is the journey, from setup to foundation to intermediate to mastery. Each step designed to build on the last and give you real job-ready skills. Now let me introduce myself. I have more than 7 years of experience in enterprise data and technology. I have built analytics solutions in the retail sector with global companies. I have worked across technology, data, and product roles to deliver impact. Currently, I build large-scale data workflows at H&M Group. I am also the creator of Luminova, which focuses on practical modular data education. My goal in this course is simple: to teach SQL in a way that is modern, practical, and ready for the AI era. Finally, is this course for you? If you want SQL that is practical and real-world, if you do not just want syntax but want to think in SQL, if you use tools like ChatGPT, Copilot, or Gemini and need to sanity check their queries, if you want to spot errors fast and write cleaner queries, if you want to learn BigQuery using real e-commerce data, if you are an analyst, a product manager, an engineer, or even a beginner who wants job-ready SQL skills, then yes, this course is built for you. If any of that sounds like you, you are in the right place. Let us get started.